Hello, you're welcome back. Today, I'm going to be teaching elements, compounds, and mixture. So without further ado, let's get right into today's class. Matter may be a simple substance or a complex substance. Now, simple substance contain one type of matter, whereas complex substance contain more than one type of matter chemically joined together. A simple substance are referred to as elements, whereas the complex substance are referred to as compounds. So let's look at elements. An element is a substance which cannot be split into smaller substances by any chemical means. There are 106 known elements and they are scattered in different percentages all over the world. The seawater contains high percentage of dissolved oxygen than nitrogen out of air. The percentage of nitrogen to oxygen is actually higher. Elements are packed together and arranged according to the atomic number in the periodic table. Elements may also be classified into two groups. We have the metals and the non-metals. The examples of metals include sodium, magnesium, tin, aluminium, while the example of non-metals are oxygen, chlorine, nitrogen, sulfur, neon, and so on. We also have some elements that possess both properties, both the metallic properties and non-metallic properties. These elements are referred to as metalloids, and an example includes silicon, gallium, and so on. Now let's look at compounds. What is a compound? A compound is a substance containing two or more different elements chemically joined together. Most substances occurring in nature are compounds. And some examples of compounds include marble. The constituent is calcium, oxygen, and carbon. We have caustic soda, we have caustic potash, sand, glucose, what have you, ethanoic acid. These are what compounds. They contain elements chemically joined together. For example, the chemical formula of glucose is C6H12O6. So the constituents are carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. These compounds are chemically combined together. Now let's look at mixture. A mixture is formed when two or more substances are physically joined together. Now take note, we said compounds are elements joined chemically. Now mixture are formed when two or more substances are physically joined together. So take note, physically joined, not chemically joined. The environment we live in is composed of mixtures of all forms of matter. For example, the air is a mixture of different gases. The earth is a mixture of soil, rocks, minerals, living organisms, plants, and animals. The sea is a mixture of water, salt, dissolved gases, and what have you. Components of mixture may be elements or compounds. So we could have an element as a component of mixture, or different compounds mixed together to form mixtures. Now, what are the differences between a mixture and a compound? Now, for a mixture, the constituents can be separated through physical means, whereas for a compound, it cannot be separated by what? Physical means. the composition of mixture varies, while the composition of a compound is fixed. Formation does not involve a remarkable heat change for mixture, whereas the formation involves remarkable heat change for compounds. Properties of a mixture are the sum of its individual components, whereas the properties of a compound are different from its components. A mixture is homogeneous in nature, a compound is heterogeneous in nature. A mixture cannot be represented by a chemical formula. Remember, we said they are physically joined, whereas a compound can be represented by a chemical formula. So thanks for watching. Our next video, we're going to be talking about separation techniques, how mixtures can be separated. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.